Hi, Bridget here from Finding Coherence, and today we're going to do a short video to help boost your immune system. So if you have a little bit of a scratchy throat or you're just not feeling 100%, this is a quick way to boost your immune system. And since you're doing it to yourself, doing self-care, it can be done as many times as you want during the day and as long as you want during the day. For this demonstration, we're going to use a 1-minute timer that we will flip on every finger. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our left hand and we're going to put it over the shoulder here. So that way the tip of the finger is touching your shoulder blade. That is an area of the body called Safety and Energy Lock 3. And this one helps you with all relationships, with breathing, many different things. I won't go into it. And then we're going to take our right hand and we're going to take the thumb nail or the thumb pad and put it over the fingernail. And we're going to do it for each finger. So let's flip our timer and we're going to breathe. So take a deep inhale. And if you can hold it for a few seconds, that's great. If you just want to breathe regularly, that's fine too. But breath is essential when it comes to doing self-care. A lot of the times during the day, we don't breathe properly. So, and a lot of us are shallow breathers. So you need to breathe in deep. And if your exhale can be longer than your inhale, then you're getting your body in a more relaxed state. And you can have your fingers up, you can have them down on your lap. Comfort is the whole key when it comes to self-care. So breathing, and then if you can put some nice music on, if you have crystals you want to bring out, turn on your salt lamp, go outside where there's some fresh air. Now we're going to switch to the next finger, the middle finger. And again, this is really quick, only 1 minute per finger. Breathing and exhaling. And you can close your eyes and remember a happy time in your life or a happy vacation. That also helps boost your immune system because you're in a higher elevated state of happiness. And you can do this lying down right before you go to bed or right before you wake up. Really good times to do this. Stacking a habit on a habit, even better. And if you need to put little sticky notes around your house to remind you, that's fine too. Almost ready to move to the next finger. And it's the ring finger. And the more people that do this in a group, let's say you're about to eat dinner, perfect time to do it as a family. The more people that do it together as a group, it kind of amplifies the whole energy. Just like meditation. If you meditate solo compared to being with about 300 people, totally different experience. There's even scientific proof out there now under Lynn McTaggart, where she does power of 8 groups. And she found 6 people or more in a group with the same intention, 10 minutes a day, can actually have miracles happen. And it's all been documented. Like I say, do your own research. And then lastly, our little finger. And if by chance you don't have a finger, you still have the energy of that finger, so you can visually either pretend that you're holding the finger or just kind of visualize yourself with the energy of that finger. I'll have other videos where I'll explain a little bit more about the different fingers and what they do. But to just boost your immune system every day, this is an easy way to do it. I choose my left side as opposed to the right side because the right side is all about current activities, current day. If you have more pain and issues on your left side, that's more ancestral or genetics. And we're ending it now with, I like to flip it so that my index finger is hitting the nail of my thumb. And we will do this last finger. You could do this while driving. It's so easy when you're on the computer. It's real subtle, but the more you do this work, it's cumulative. So just like meditation, the more you do the meditation, the quicker your body gets and your mind back into that relaxed state of mind when you do a meditation. So know that Jyutsu, or this self-care practice that I do, it is cumulative. And it's not only cumulative, but it helps not only your energy, but the energy of the people around you. So if you have a sick child, you can do this on yourself and set the intention that I may help my child with her, let's say, ear infection by boosting the immune system. You could do it, hold her fingers, whatever the sex of the child is, hold their shoulder as well as their fingers, but not just the nail bed, but the entire finger. And that is a simple way to boost your immune system. I always like to end with my hands on my heart and take one final breath and exhale what no longer serves you. So I hope this was helpful. Just a real quick boost in your immune system, because who doesn't need that every day? So have a great afternoon, and if you want more information, follow me at FindingCoherence on Instagram. Bye.